Also, I've got no indicators.
It's alright, I'll pretend you're a BMW. Oh, this is nice, like a little bit of a nostalgia kick. You missed going like to Martin's garage and just tinkering away with the bikes, get a couple of beers out, and then go for a ride like this, exactly like this. Go meet whoever on the way. So we're going to head to Dunstable Downs, going to meet Jarv, chill for a bit, and then we'll head to the Artisan. There's just something different about riding with other people. Like when you go out on your own, it is nice, like you can clear your head and that, but I mean we're still sort of doing that, but it's just you can't compare it. Honestly, you really can't. It just makes you feel like you're a part of something bigger. I know that sounds really cheesy and lame. Let me enjoy my moment. Fucking miss the roads up here. You don't get them over at Norfolk, really. You only got the coast road that's like it. Trying to get you the view, but it's hard to ride and look right. I'm currently riding just with peripherals at the moment, but we are high up. Don't know if the camera does it any justice. But let's meet our boy Jarv. Been waiting for us in the car park. There he is. Well, there's his bike. He's out of that. There he is with the mean green machine. No, just gave me the finger. Easy, dude. You alright? Let's run, look. Let's give him a little camp wave and he's not waving back. The Rob's here. The band's back together. Look at your face. Look how fucking happy you are. Ciao. Nice to see you.
Yeah, take it easy.
Yeah. Oh, fucking good to say, you're getting a hug, mate. It's been fucking way too long. Brother. Ciao.